Hi Don, this is Josh out at Encore. I got one heck of a nice cowl panel here for you to consider. It's just like the first one that I sent you pictures of, nice and clean and straight, but the underneath is beautiful on this one compared to that black one. I know you asked for black, and I do my best to meet a customer's request, but I know you're painting it anyway, so we're still with a darker color here. I believe this will be off a 92 or a 93 once I run the VIN and take it out of my system. I'll know for sure, but this is usually a later color, just kind of a reef blue here. So I just want to show you with the glare of the sun that there's really, I don't see even dimples in it. So it wasn't parked underneath an acorn tree, best I can see, and it was never caught out in a hailstorm. I'm trying to show you the other flat section there using the glare of the sunset, and then show you some other key areas I always check, like along the windshield and underneath, around the hood hinge pockets. I did notice a little bit of some bubbling rust up in here. I'll show you as close as I can. I mean, it's not real significant, but it's just something I always check for. And I noticed there was a little on this. But nothing, I don't think that'll give you any trouble reassembling it. Yeah, there's a little bit there. Yeah, I don't think this will give you any trouble reassembling it or having any water leak issues. It's just something I look real careful for, and I saw some majorly up in this area. Not major rust, just kind of pertaining in this area mostly. I cut them real thin for shipping reasons, and you really don't usually need extra metal, so all the spot welds are still here. And this is a full lip in this on the side underneath the fender, full lips here on the apron and across the bottom of the cowl. So like I said, there's two coats of paint on here. I can see, like, here's some flake paint. I did look, there's no body work on this underneath from any old damage that I could tell, but there's, you know, a little bit of chipped paint and a little bit of some rust right there. I don't think there's any extra holes in here. This is for the vacuum tree, the map sensor, brake hose, brake line bracket. So I don't think there's any extra. Sometimes I whip through these pretty quick and can overlook stuff like that, but I really don't see anything that looks new. These all look pretty standard. A little bit of some bubbles of rust around this hood hinge pocket, but no rot on the actual cowl panel itself, especially where it's exposed when installed. Again, here the full cowl lip is there where you're going to need it, and I've left room just to take the spot welds out, so I'll kind of dull these corners down a little bit before I put it in a box to ship, just so they don't poke out or anything like that. But other than that, it's a real straight, clean piece. So I am going to get underneath. I just want to show you again, best I can, that there's really no damage to the top of this thing. I don't feel anything wrong with it. I'll go rub my hand on the other side here and then flip it over. So here underneath, voila. Keep it here. So just a little rust disease right there. Very, very minor. Some of these spots are probably where the factory didn't even get primer and it's more of an exposed metal. But where the primer and the paint have been, it seemed to do quite well. Just a little bit of some age there, a little surface rust just from sitting probably out in the heat here at the shop. And this has been dismantled for quite some time, I can tell, because there's rust showing up in my cut marks here. But very clean, very straight, sort of rust-free piece. I mean, for what I think you're looking for and what I think can be expected of 30-year-old metal, I think it's pretty nice. I definitely call this kind of one of the top shelf pieces. So thank you for waiting on me to get you something this high a quality. They say good things come to those who wait, but once I get your approval, I will pack it up and get it right out the door. And I see you're just the next state over, so I wouldn't imagine this takes more than probably 2 or 3 days to get there. So thanks again, Don, for your business and being patient with me, and once I hear back from you, I will take the next step. Talk to you soon.